Hi, good afternoon, Marilyn.
Good afternoon, ma'am.
Please introduce yourself.
Uh, good day, sir and madam. I'm Marilyn M. Banyares. I'm a married. I have one child, and I'm the eldest among the 9 children in our family. Uh, I'm high school graduate, and I know how to cook. I'm very good in cooking, and I'm a sewer now. I'm working in the garment factory.
You are very good in cooking,
Yes.
even before.
Yes, ma'am.
Let's talk about your working experience. Where you work?
I'm working in Laguna City, in
Before.
Hong Kong, ma'am, before.
Where you work?
I'm working in Hong Kong. My employer is she's a teacher, Makiwa, ma'am. She's working, they are in Laguna City, Lamkin, ma'am, Kuntong. And the second one in the Kowloon City, Chankang City, Sasana, in the Arcadia, Kowloon City, ma'am. They have 2 children, they are twins.
And you have the twins?
Yes, ma'am. Twins, ma'am.
I have twin client. Do you want?
But the twin, ma'am, because we are two Filipino. Yeah, one for the boy and one for me, for the girl.
But you are only one.
Oh,
You think you can handle?
I think it's very difficult if
One couple, and then the twin. Only one helper. It's okay for you? Maybe cannot.
maybe it's difficult, ma'am. There are 2.
Okay.
If I have one companion.
No. In Hong Kong, how come you know already? The house is small and the salary is high. If the employer pay 9,000, 10,000 for 2 maids, better she don't work. Just take care of their own kid by
Yes.
themselves.
I think no.
Yeah, and then, so 2 years is 4 years in Hong Kong. And then you change to your third employer.
Yes.
And then 2005, you come back to Philippines for your maternity leave.
Yes, ma'am.
After that, you don't go back to Hong Kong
Yes.
anymore until now,
Yes, ma'am.
right? The last employer you work for 2 houses also,
Yes,
Singaporean. It's okay for you, even though when you're
ma'am, it's
pregnant?
not, because my employer have one another house, sometimes I clean there.
But mostly you are the one who cook.
Yes, ma'am.
You are a good cook.
Yes, ma'am.
How long you work for your last employer?
1 year only.
1 year.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so all in all you work 5 years in Hong Kong.
Sorry, ma'am?
All in all you work 5 years
Yes, ma'am.
in Hong Kong, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Good cook. Can you give me some sample of the food you cook?
Chicken curry, ma'am. Beef with stofado beef, ma'am. And then I have a lot of food, ma'am. How to?
Yeah, I know.
Before, ma'am, I bring the food for you here.
Oh?
Yeah, you give me the employer stay up. I have my job order is there, but I didn't find the money before.
Oh, okay.
Yeah,
cool.
that's why.
But this time you prepare already.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Tricycle and bicycle. Are you willing to cut your hair short?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Okay. You don't like to work for the family with disabled
Yes, ma'am.
or more than 6 members.
Yes, ma'am.
But during your off day, finish your general cleaning first before you
Yes,
go
ma'am.
out is okay,
Yes,
right?
ma'am.
Okay. Thanks for your coming.
Thank you so much, ma'am.